Treehouse Villa by Stilt Studios in KECAMATAN Kuta Selatan, Indonesia. Resting gracefully amidst the sublime landscapes of Grün Resort Uluwatu, a family-run nature-focused luxury boutique resort in Uluwatu, Bali. The Treehouse Villa introduces a new paradigm in sustainable luxury. This villa encompasses 7 distinct units seamlessly woven into the surrounding verdant tapestry, embodying an exquisite synthesis of contemporary design and ecological reverence. The Treehouse Villa is a testament to the resort's commitment to immersive nature-centric experiences. This 2-bedroom sanctuary emerges as a double-story haven poised above the landscape on elevated stilted foundations, deftly treading the delicate line between luxury and ecological responsibility, says Prayoga Arya, lead architectural designer at Stilt Studios. This architectural posture not only minimizes its physical impact on the environment, but also fosters an intimate connection with the serene surroundings, granting its guests unparalleled vistas of the Indian Ocean and the surrounding lush forestry environment. Ascending the wooden staircase, guests are greeted by a 64 sqm open-plan layout, deftly fusing living, dining, and kitchen spaces. This arrangement not only ensures fluid spatial transitions but also facilitates optimal cross-ventilation, offering an ambience that transcends boundaries between interior and exterior realms. Infused with Stilt Studios' own furniture designs, including the signature lounge chair, dining chair, and lamps, it adds a harmonious touch to the overall environment, combining aesthetics with functionality. The lush natural surroundings greatly influence the interior elements of the Treehouse Villa, with a combination of natural materials like teak wood, woven rattan, and banana paper. These materials are then enriched with local decorative elements, creating a warm and distinctly Indonesian ambience, reminiscent of the comfort of home, says Franz Sihaming, Stilt Studios' lead interior designer at Stilt Studios. Embracing the elemental allure of wood, the flooring and ceiling establish a tactile bond with nature, fostering an atmosphere of warmth and serenity. The wood ceiling, in particular, converges with the sloping rooflines, cocooning occupants within a nurturing embrace. The villa's second floor hosts a 40 sqm open-plan layout, creating an efficient interior unit flow and interaction of the sleeping area with a separate bathroom and adjacent lounging area, which can be used for working. A 24 sqm balcony extends the living space outside, with a porch adorned with lounge couches, providing an exquisite vantage point to indulge in the panorama of the forest and ocean. In keeping with Stilt Studios' ethos to lighten the impact on Earth, the Treehouse Villas utilize prefabricated building elements and consciously select responsibly sourced materials, using as many wooden materials as possible for carbon storage. A collaborative effort with Ecolabo materializes through recycled plastic elements that adorn the bathroom walls, transformed into marbled motifs that redefine space into artistic expressions. While optimizing the process and reducing waste through prefabrication, Stilt Studios saves time and minimizes the carbon footprint in the construction process. Being the resort's largest villa, this treehouse is a celebration of the marriage between meticulous craftsmanship and an unwavering commitment to the environment. On top of that, the villa's thoughtful design facilitates easy access to 2 of the resort's gastronomic gems, the Octagon and La Cima, which affirms the villa's integration into the holistic one-stop resort experience, allowing guests to indulge their palates without compromising their seclusion.